Hello viewers, how are you all today? In this video, I'm going to introduce you to some of the top data structures and algorithms, DSA teaching channels on YouTube, and the best part is that all of this content is completely free. First, open up your YouTube and search for Stiver. This is one of the channels where you can learn and master DSA. Next, let's move on to the second channel called Take You Forward. Here, you'll find a wide range of DSA lectures covering topics like graphs, trees, placement series, patterns, binary trees, and dynamic programming. Be sure to explore their playlists, as you'll find organized content on DSA there. And now, let me introduce you to one more fantastic channel called Kunal Kushwaha. This channel offers comprehensive Java and DSA tutorials, along with open source content. You'll even find video series like Zero to Master. By following these two channels, you'll be well on your way to mastering DSA and making interview preparation super easy. But wait, there's more. Open any browser and search for Take You Forward. Once you find it, you'll discover DSA courses and sheets that you can use to track your progress. And the best part? It's entirely free for everyone. If you visit Stiver's DSA playlist, you'll find a complete series on DSA topics. Before you dive into your course, make sure to log in to track your progress. This platform also offers advanced features like actions, problem likes, and problem videos. If you click on the YouTube icon, it will take you directly to the associated video. And the best part is that it's completely ad-free. If you need problem links, simply click on LeetCode and it will direct you to the specific problem. And here's another feature. You can take notes while you're completing your course. Wishing you all the best on your DSA journey. Remember, time is precious, so don't waste it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and share this video. If you enjoy the content, consider subscribing to the channel for more.